Hey everybody, this is 2Bite Todd, and today I want to show you how to make one of my brand new, delicious holiday, winter side dishes. I call them Maple Glazed Green Beans. Inexpensive, easy, and oh so good. Got the Blackstone Griddle on low heat, and I'm going to drop down slices of thick hickory smoked bacon. Now you want to be careful when you're cooking bacon. Feel free to flip it occasionally. You just do not want it to burn. You want the bacon to crisp up, but if one side is getting crispy, give it a flip. When the bacon is looking good, about halfway done, I'm going to use the brand new Blackstone extra large bacon press. We're going to put the bacon together in one pile, going to press it down and let it sit for a while. You might even need to turn the heat off. You just want that bacon to slowly crisp up but not burn. You can take your tongs and move it around a few times, toss it around, put the press on. Again, just be careful not to burn the bacon. Once the bacon has finished cooking, I'm going to put it onto the Blackstone Griddle cutting board. We're going to slice the bacon up and move it aside. Now I'm going to dump 2 bags of frozen green beans straight onto the griddle top. You could certainly use fresh green beans, but frozen green beans will be a lot more accessible in the winter. Notice that grease going to work. You want to give those beans a bunch of flips and just let that grease meld into the beans. Oh, they're going to crisp up and have delicious bacon flavor in those green beans. I diced up a yellow onion. I'm going to put that down on the side. And again, we're going to saute that up just a little bit. Then we'll incorporate that with the green beans. You might need to take a taste test. Once the beans start to get warm, moving towards hot, we're going to slide that bacon back into the beans, mix it up. Oh, it's coming together now. But the finishing touch is maple syrup, and not the fake stuff. You want to use real pure maple syrup. Look at that. Keep mixing it. You don't want that syrup to burn up. You don't want the sugars to burn. Bring your serving platter over. Let's plate it up. Oh my goodness. We're taking a holiday side dish to a whole new level. I love green bean casserole, but why not kick it up a little bit with maple glazed green beans? Let's give it a try. Very few ingredients. That sweet syrup just sliding into the savory bacon. Delicious. The ultimate holiday side dish. Inexpensive and oh so good. And if you want this recipe and more, you can visit us at blackstoneproducts.com. I call these maple glazed. Let's give it a try. Let's give it a try. Let's give it a try. Sweet syrup just sliding into the succulent bacon out here in the sunshine.
Succulent swine. It's swine. Whoa. Oh my God.
Yeah, keep on going.
Oh my. Todd, that's enough, dude.
No, keep
going.
going.
Oh my goodness.
I want to drink it. But that's like a whole frappuccino with calories, probably, right?